The Monday 17th of August, your USD morning markup. We've been waiting and sitting on our hands for pretty much 2 weeks for anything to happen, and it looks like we might have a possible trade today. Let's do our markup. Daily bearish, broke that structure here. That was the last high that broke the low. We've now pulled up into daily premium, so we can start looking for the continuation short now. On the 4 hour, we have created a low, a high, failed to take the low, and then moved up, and we sort of just ranged here on the lower time frame, but we're sort of there at the minute. Again, coming up into the daily premium. On the 4 hour, I've got this zone as well, this supply that interests me, because that's the last point. This is the last high that broke daily structure to the left, which is this line here that I'm running my mouse on. So that was the high that created that move to break low. So this area is interesting, especially with it sat right on the premium. 1 hour, I would say we are still bullish. Call that one maybe, sort of in between an hour and 15. Still bullish, but that's fine. We've come into the supply. We've now mitigated the premium. So depending how everything looks this morning, we've also just got all this movement up here. All of this, which is just buying, and just all that. So when these happen, I like to short into them, but only if the entry model pops up. Asia sessions just ranged overnight. Asia sessions pushed up overnight. So what I want to see is London open, pretty high, and then break structure to the downside, and then trade entry model A, bring the highs, and then targeting well down here. So that's what I'm going to be looking for today. Hopefully it pays out. We've been sat on our hands for quite a while. It's been quite difficult. I barely even looked at the charts last week. I mean, I kept an eye on them just on the morning at a glance to see if anything interesting had happened. But with all the news that had been going on, there was just, and being August, there was absolutely nothing. As you can see, we just been moving in this little sideways range for a bit. So yeah, nothing here. There's been nothing here for a couple of weeks, so hopefully something can develop this morning. It'd be nice to actually get trading and get phase 2 passed. So I'll do a review a bit later on if we get anything. See you in the morning if not.